Welcome to Costa Saline Resort, the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Dito madidiscover nyo ang tranquil paradise where relaxation and peace awaits you.
Good morning. Welcome to Costa Saline. I'm Chef Mark. Mabuhay ug madayaw.
So ayan guys, this is a surfing area dito sa Katiel, dito in front of Costa Saline. They call this the Long Beach Cream Sand kasi sobrang pino ng mga buhangin and very virgin, untouched. Hindi magsiswimming si Inday doon, duwag po ako. Agang Tampisaw lang po tayo kasi medyo malakas ang current ngayon. So, ang dami magagawa dito sa Davao Oriental, guys. You have this wonderful beach, Long Beach Cream Sand. And at the same time, you have the waterfalls, you have the lake, you have the hot spring, you have, ang dami-dami pala mapwedeng puntahan at babalik talaga for sure dito ako para mas ma-discover natin ang Davao Oriental. Beautiful, untouched, surfing beach dito sa Davao Oriental, Katiel. This is just in front of Costa Saline. And ito yung masasabi kong untouched kasi wala pa masyadong development na nagaganap. Konti pa lang yung mga resorts. At sarap magpaka-private sa buhay dito. Surfing beach na talaga kasi kung makikita nyo, sobrang lakas din ng alon. And you can do surfing lessons there from Costa Saline. They can help you, they have an instructor to teach you how to surf. Pakasarap umikot sa buong Pilipinas ng nakamotor at makikita mo yung ganda ng Pilipinas lang katulad nito. Ayan guys, here's Jay, COIC of Costa Saline and also the Food and Beverage Supervisor ng Costa Saline. So, James, ano bang mga villas ang meron tayo dito? Ilan ba?
We have 4 types of villas, ma'am. So, then we have Casa Felicitas, kung nasaan tayo. Then we have Casa Hermosa, kung saan po kayo nag-i-stay. Then Casa Merced, besides Casa Hermosa. Yung pinakamalaking villa natin is yung Villa Corazon, ma'am.
Villa Corazon. Siyempre, named after the late Governor Cora Malaniao. Let's go! Let's see the place!
Yung mga name na Casa Felicitas, Hermosa, kinuha sa grandmother ni Madam.
So this place is good for how many?
Yung villa natin is good for 7, ma'am.
This one is good for 7. The sofa, you have your own dining. So parang, can they bring in food?
Yes, okay.
So they can bring in food. Okay. Isilip ko sa inyo. So here we have, wow, malaki. Yan, this is good for 4. Same as nung villa din namin. But this one, malaki sa loob. Wow! O yan, sa'yo nito naka na CR. Oh, oh. Oh, wow. At magrambulan. Ang karamihan dito, kasyang-kasya siya, guys. So, this is good for 4. Good for 3 naman to.
Tatlong single bed siya.
Oh, 3 single beds. Ang laki ng CR, guys. Look at that. Here. What's nice about this villa, ang lalaki ng CR. There, oh. Very nice. And you have the comforts again of the T-Smart TV. Dito, pwede mag-gathering ang family and magkainan. You can bring in your own food and you can order also from the restaurant. So this is Villa Felicitas. So this villa is good for 7. Makita niyo naman ang laki-laki ng CR both. And you have a place here where you can mag-bonding time with the family. You have your kitchen here if you have some food to drink. Pwede kayo magdala ng pagkain inside. May cottage fee lang. And pwede rin kayo magpaluto. If you opt to, let's say, mamili kayo ng mga seafoods, tapos ipaluto nyo dito. And you also have this wonderful lanai. Hearing the sound of the beach. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Guys, these are 2 villas na tig 7. Yan. Nice. And you have the hammock. Tambay-tambay dyan. Good for 4 single beds. But it has a view of the beach and the pool. Ito yun. Double. So, here is the double twin naman. And we have also the CR. Ang ganda ng design dito. There you go. And the view, of course, of the beach. So we have here naman is the biggest villa here in Costa Serene, Villa Corazon, in honor of the late Governor Corazon Malañaon. So kay Tita, this is the resort of my friend, Honorable Board Member Michelle Malañaon of District 1 here at Davao Oriental. So ito, pasukin natin yung ganda ng villa. Wow! So here you can do private gatherings, reserve the whole villa for private events. Nice. Have your own mini bar. You have your own mini bar here. You have a long table, big sala, and there's the bedrooms naman doon. Good for 4. Oh, this one has a bigger space, guys. Meron siyang mas malaking mga cabinets. Yung mga cabinets siya. Oh, ayan. And a big CR. Wow. Nice. Nice one. Other bedroom. So the whole villa is for pang family na of 8. Or at least 8 packs. Same as the other side yan. Parehas ng kabila. And you need extra more beds, you can rent. You just room charge lang yon for extra beds dito. Kasi malaki, guys, yung space. So pwede pa magdagdag dito kung talagang gusto mag-bonding ng mga family. This is a perfect place. Kasi ang harap naman niya ay ang beach. Galing ka doon, tapos shower ka dito. Then go inside for mail and email. So, ayan. paggabi yan guys, maliwanag yan, may ilaw siya. So makikita mo yung view ng beach sa harap ng bahay. This villa, Villa Corazon is perfect for those having weddings at saka other events kasi pwede kayo mag beachfront wedding dito sa garden. Tapos the couples can stay at the rooms and yung guests nyo can stay at the other villas naman. So perfect place. Pwede nyo kanyahin yung buong Costa Salim. They also have a function hall wherein you can rent it for seminars or other events na gusto nyo gawin. Tapos team building, you can also do it here kasi meron na tayong beach, may mga rooms and may food and the place where you can train.